earnings for this month was 141,000, total deductions 46,000 rands, and a net pay of 94,000 rands. Hi guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today we are looking at nurses, but these are different types of nurses. These are people who are working in different industries. They are not necessarily working in a typical nursing environment that we are used to, which is a hospital, right? They are working in other sectors, not in the health sector. So I thought today, let me just put some spotlight on them. And these, they are getting the money. I'll call them highest paid nurses. If you get into these spaces, you'll surely be highest paid nurse. Okay, we're gonna look at a military nurse, a mine nurse, a municipality nurse, a project coordinator, and a unit manager. And I just put a professional nurse that works in a private hospital. Just to see what in the private sector, in the hospital, are they earning, just so that we can compare a bit. Okay, so let's start with a military nurse. Let's see how much he or she is earning. Hi Boni, I'm a nurse in the military with a specialty of primary health care, registered nurse from 2009 and 5 years experience in the primary health care. Okay, let's see how much they are earning. Actually, it's a male, it's not a female. I don't know if that matters, but yes. Basic salary 52,289, housing allowance 1,578, pays you earn is 11,400, total deduction 17,921, a net pay of 35,946. How is the village feeling about this one? I think this is good. This is proper. The gross salary was 53,000. The gross salary was 53,000. I think this is good, guys. They have their pension fund, their medical aid. I think they have a good deal. Right. Now let's look at a mine nurse. Mine. This one works in a mine. I'm a professional nurse. I have no specialty. I've been working in the mine for 3 years, post community service experience. So she's got a community service experience and then 3 years in the mine. Okay, get ready for chest pains. This one, she's getting her money, guys. She is getting her money. Please note that this payslip has a bonus incentive. Okay, so she doesn't get this all the time. Okay, but the good thing is her basic salary is 47,800 rands. All right. And then there is something called a gain share. She said they get it. It just depends how the mine performs. They get it every month, but it just depends how the mine performed for that month. And for this month, it was at 100%. Sometimes it's not at 100%. Sometimes at 50%. It's at 30%. But for this month, it was at 100%. And this is why she got 33,000 rands. And then there is a bonus, which is once a year, 57,000 rands. Okay. And then there's a safety voucher, which is 200 rand. So total earnings for this month was 141,000, total deductions 46,000 rands, and a net pay of 94,000 rands. Guys, if you don't want to work in the mine right now, I don't know when you will do it. I remember I've posted this payslip before with other nurses, right? And I noted that people were saying that they did not know that you can work in the mine without occupational health. Okay, so but here it is, guys, it's happening. Now let's look at a nurse that works for a municipality. Municipality nurse, guys, these people, there's no overtime. They are just cruising. There's no weekends. Oh Lord, I love this job. I love this job. Like, I think this one is a good deal. Hi, I'm a professional nurse for a big metro municipality. Only did my undergrad course with no specialty. Experience doesn't add anything in municipality, but I started working with them in 2021. Okay. 2021. So she's got how many years experience working with them? Okay, it means she has other experience. Okay, so with them it's been 3 years. 2021, 2020, 2 years. She's been working here for 2 years. Okay, basic salary 32,643, housing subsidy 1,000 rands, a locomotion allowance, which is car allowance. I did double check. This is car allowance for 8,000 rands. Who does not want to work for a municipality, guys? Gross earnings of 41,726, and then she's got a lot of deductions, including a bond, which is around 10,000 rands. Her tax is 7,000. Total deductions is 22,000 rands. Okay, 22,691, and a net pay of 19,000 rands. Guys, I am happy. And also, just to think about the working conditions, I think the working conditions are proper. Right, now let's look at a project coordinator, professional nurse, but works as a project coordinator, and we're still gonna look at a professional nurse that works in a private hospital. I just put it here just for comparison, right? And then we have a unit manager. Right, so this one, hi Boni, I'm a qualified registered nurse. Okay, she's a registered nurse with 10 years experience. I have a diploma in general psychiatric, community and midwifery nursing science. Okay, I also have specialty in primary health care and have a master's degree. Okay, master's degree. I work for an NGO as a coordinator. I have been with the NGO for only a year. Choosing nursing was the best decision ever. I am very happy. That's what she says. Okay. This is male. It's not a woman, but it's male. Okay. I don't know if that matters, but anyway, just thought I'd mention because it's nursing, of course. Basic salary 53,239. Cell phone allowance 767. Total earnings 53,997. Net pay of 40,597. Okay, he's paying for his UIF, pay as you earn, and yeah, guys, company contributions is 1,500. Okay, but there is no pension. There is no pension fund here. Yeah, but company contributions is 1,597. A net pay of 40,564. How is the village feeling about this one? How is the village feeling about this one? I think they have a good deal, guys, but there is no pension. But guys, you can always put something away yourself. Okay. Okay, now let's look at a nurse that is working in a private hospital in KZN for 8 years. Guys, I have made a video on nurses, okay? So I am not saying that all private hospital nurses, this is how much they're earning. I've made a video on nurses who work in the private sector and those who work in the public sector, okay? And it was clear from that video that actually nurses who work for the government, they get more money. Okay, so I'm gonna link that video somewhere in the description box or in the comment section so that you can see it. Okay, basic salary is 15,000 rands, and then specialty allowance it's 1,500, and then there's a bit of overtime and standby allowance, meal allowance, travel reimbursement. Okay, and this comes to 22,183. Deductions 7,000 rands, and a net pay of 15,000 rands. All right. Okay, the one thing I didn't get about this one is she a registered nurse or a professional nurse? But she just said, I'm a nurse and I've been working for 8 years. Okay, and I've seen nurses work in the private sector earning double the amount, way more than this. All right, but she's got a specialty allowance. So which one is it? Please let us know in the comment section. And guys, please like this video if you find value, and share it with people who might need it, and also consider subscribing. Okay, now let's look at a unit manager. Hi Boni, I would like to share my payslip with you. Maybe it will enhance interest in South African nursing, particularly theatre nursing. I don't think we are really that underpaid. I'm a qualified professional nurse with PG diploma in operating theatre nursing and PG diploma in nursing management. I work for a private hospital, soon to provincial. I have 12 years in nursing and 7 years in management. Okay, so let's see how much is she earning. There's some allowance of 1,000 rands that I have to hide so that it's not obvious where she's working. Basic salary is 45,200. Cell phone allowance 530. Specialist allowance 7,180. Total earnings 54,000 rands, and a net pay of 33,000 rands. Total deductions are 20,940. Okay, she requested that I don't show the entire pay slip. Okay, so that's a unit manager with a lot of experience, a net pay of 33,000 rands. I don't know how the village feels about this one, but I think these nurses, they have a good deal, guys. I think it's proper. It's proper. Please let me know what other salaries you would like me to collect. I can only film a video if there is 5 pay slips, guys. And then on special occasions, I can film if there is 3 pay slips. But if there is 5, definitely I can make a video dedicated to that industry. Okay, yeah guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.